Hi, my name's Jane Hardy, and I've got a business that's really fabulous. It's fabulous because of the members that belong to our groups. But going back a bit, my first ever networking event, I was invited by somebody I'd just recently met, and I went along and I went into this big room and I got to the registration desk and I went, oh my word, this event was full of men in dark suits. And there was I in my pink, which I rather like my pink. But I just freaked and I thought, they all seem to know each other. They all seem to be laughing and joking and all in little groups. And oh, I ran. I might have signed in, but I ran. That was my first ever networking event. How on earth I ever attended another one in my life, I'm not quite sure. But that networking group obviously wasn't right for me. And it did put me off for a while. But as a small business owner, I thought, I have got to get out there. I have got to meet new people. I have got to get out from my four walls and my computer and start getting the word out about my business, because I was doing something completely different then. So I persevered. And I went to many networking events in the end. I still felt a bit like Billy No Mates on occasion, but I kept going. And I learned a lot. I met a lot of really good people. They taught me a lot about networking, and I discovered more about myself and what I liked about helping small business owners and what I didn't like about networking. Hence the reason, I don't know how it happened really, being totally honest with you. I now own my own business networking organisation. So really, that's the start of my journey. Don't know how I got there, but I look forward to seeing you again soon. Take care. Thank you for listening.